Hello and welcome to Arab Business. British oil major BP is planning to invest more than $12 billion in Egypt over the next 5 years and to double its gas supplies to the local market in the next decade. BP is one of the largest foreign investors in Egypt, which wants foreign companies to help ease one of its worst energy crises in decades. Most international energy firms entered Egypt to develop energy for export, but as consumption has increased and production decreased, the government has diverted energy supplies to the domestic market, hurting companies' profits. The air conditioning market in Saudi Arabia is poised to exceed 9.37 billion Saudi Riyals annually by 2019, local media said, quoting a report released by a global research firm. The report comes at a time when demand for air conditioners in the Saudi market has witnessed a significant growth. In 2013, the kingdom imported from China and Thailand nearly 2.4 million AC units for the value of 2.7 billion Saudi Riyals. Kuwait's emir says that falling oil prices were affecting the incomes and development programs of petroleum-producing Gulf Arab states. Brent crude oil fell by a 5-year low near $65 a barrel in volatile trade on Tuesday, sliding for a 6th consecutive session on signs of a growing supply glut. Sheikh Sabah suggested one of the solutions was greater economic integration within the GCC, a goal often invoked but rarely enacted by the member countries. The United Arab Emirates will keep its currency pegged to the US dollar, a senior central bank official reiterated after an unusually large move by the dirham in the forwards market. Asked whether the dollar's strength was putting any pressure on the peg, Saif al-Shamsi, Assistant Governor for Monetary Policy and Financial Stability, said the dirham had effectively been pegged since the 1980s. Over the last 2 weeks, the dirham, fixed at 3.6725 to $1, has edged down to its lowest level against the dollar in over a year in the 1-year forwards market, implying marginal depreciation against the peg over the next year. And finally, Middle East Airlines are forecast to see net profits rise to $1.6 billion in 2015, driven by passenger capacity growth and more than 15%, according to the International Air Transport Association. Net profits are expected to rise by $500 million compared to this year, representing a profit of $7.98 per passenger and a net profit margin of 2.5%. For more updates, please visit levant.tv. That was it for today. We'll be back tomorrow with some more from the business news world in the Middle East. Goodbye.